Hi everybody, it's me Nina and welcome to my channel. In this video we will just hang out together and I will go to the beginning of my Instagram to show you my very first drawings and to just talk a little about them. And before I start, I want to show you this beauty. This is my husband's, Jonathan's cover, and I actually made this drawing and then I printed it on a cover, and I think it's a very nice idea of a surprise for somebody, so take this into account. Okay, so I'm recording my screen, you will see it right here, and well, the very first picture that I posted is this one. And it was a commission from the company where my husband used to work. Actually, it's a very sweet picture, and I don't know what's happening right now to this drawing, but I was like very serious about it, you know. It was one of the biggest assignments in my life, and because it was from my husband, but he wasn't my husband back then, he was just a boyfriend. I really wanted to impress his friends and his colleagues and everyone. Okay, and you can see how it was like developing, and oh my god, what is this? This is Rapunzel, Pascal, and I forgot his name. I forgot his name. I know that his real name is Eugene, so let's call him Eugene. Okay. I used watercolor pencils for this Disney drawing. And what can I say? I literally remember nothing from this picture, but I think I edited a lot also, made it a lot more saturated, but it's one of the drawings that from my childhood, you know, because I think I did it when I was like in the 10th or 11th grade of school. Right now I'm not older. And the next drawing is the drawing of Rick Janest. Unfortunately, he passed away like a year or two ago. And I have a funny story about this drawing, because my husband Jonathan commented like below this post with the drawing with Rick Janest, and he wrote like those puking emojis, and I was like, that's not very nice, because I kind of spent a lot of time on doing this, and like, why would anyone do this? But then he told me that he thought it was a real picture, and he's not into like tattoos on the face and everything, so he kind of thought it was just a picture and that I was a fan. But when he realized it's a drawing, he really started respecting me more, right, Jonathan?
Yeah,
right. Okay, so the next one is Harry Potter, and honestly, I don't know how to pronounce his name in English, because for the ones who don't know, I'm Russian. And in Russian, I would say Voldemort. How do you say it in English?
Voldemort.
Voldemort.
You can't say it?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, it's true. It's true. It's true. Okay. I got featured with this drawing on VK. VK is a Russian Facebook. Nobody's there right now, but back then it was very popular. I got featured, and this is what brought me my first followers, so it's very important. And the next drawing is the drawing of Yubaba. By the way, in my Facebook group, there is an anime challenge right now, and I could have posted it there, I think, without taking part in this challenge, because I'm not that good at anime. Honestly, I've never done anything other than Yubaba, according to the style. But I love this drawing. I think I edited here a little bit because I was like lazy to finish it, but all the rest I think it's good. And by the way, you can see my old pencils. These are my very first pencils. The next drawing. This drawing is of a Russian poet, and his name is Sergei Yesenin. I'll write his name here, maybe you will be curious and Google him, but he was famous for writing about peasants in Russia, like very, I don't know how to say, very simple and cool way of talking about Russia. He was really like in love with his country and everything, but not only. And they made TV series about him later, and I really loved it. So just little fan art. The next drawing is Deadpool. I don't know, I think it's pretty boring to talk about it because I'm not a big fan of Deadpool, but I just move forward. But as you can see, I made a pretty good drawing. Okay, so the next one is Marilyn Monroe, and I don't know what to say about her. I kind of like her, but I also don't care about her, but I kind of needed to draw somebody to become better, so this is probably the reason why I chose this drawing, and it's also pretty old. It's from like 2013 or 14, even though it says 16th December 2016, but it's a lot older. What do we have next? Okay, these ones were also the assignments from my husband's company from the beginning of this video, so I'll just scroll down. Okay, so this is my friend Yana and her husband, and I also was, you know, when I feel like I want to practice to become better, I always take my friends or followers' pictures, because I think it's better to draw them, because they will be very happy to receive something like this for free from me, instead of taking random pictures from the internet. But of course sometimes I take those random pictures too, because it's just very nice to look at those pictures, just love the work of photographers and everything. But this picture was of my friend, and this is the finished result. It's a little bit simple and not this detailed, I think, but even now I don't think it's bad, honestly. I think it's okay. What do you think? Oh, okay, so the next one is the drawing of one of my best friends. His name is Nazar, and back then it was kind of a challenge between two of us. I had to draw him, and he drew me. Right now I can't find the picture of myself, but I will definitely show you his work back then in 2017. So this is the sketch, and this is the final result. I must say that I like the final result. It's just I wish I used darker pencils for some areas, but back then I remember I wasn't doing it on purpose, because I wanted to do it like basically only using like this pencil. By the way, I use this pencil still, I love it. And this is also the drawing from that assignment from the company, with the company of my husband. So this is one of his ex-colleagues. And more out of there. And this is the homepage with my drawings. Also from there, because there were a lot. Also from there. Some progress, finished result. And this is the commission. It's a very old commission. It's from 2017, the beginning of 2017, but when you look at the like final result, you can actually see that I did a good job, even though I couldn't see a lot on the original picture, because the original picture was very, very old. And the result is kind of good. I wish I took a lot more pictures, honestly. Well, oh, and here's the guy. Yep, so this is it. And next, more assignments for, and here all of them, all of those assignments for the company. And this is the sketch of Superman. I used to take this sketchbook to my university because it was so boring that I needed to distract myself somehow. And of course, what else could I do other than like take a sketchbook? I think there will be even more. And here's my friend with the drawing. I asked him to take a picture of it, and here you can see if I did a good job or not. I think it was pretty good, but once again, I wish I took a pencil that's more black. These are also my friends, and their result wasn't as good as I wanted to. Well, I definitely can see a lot of flaws. Also, I should have edited a little because it seems blue. The picture seems blue, I don't know why. But kind of needed to learn, right? And that's it for now, guys. And you can also see some of my old drawings right here, like in the miniatures. And if you want to, you can go to the beginning of my Instagram to watch more and to see more, yeah, and to track my progress. But thank you for hanging out with me, and tell me in the comments if you want to watch more videos like this where we're just like sitting in the same room and talking to each other. I hope yes, but let me know your opinion. So see you in the next video, guys. Bye, and thanks for watching.